Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I bring you the brand new collection of Hello Kitty x Wet n Wild. I asked you on my Instagram if you guys wanted to see a review on this, and so many of you said yes. So you ask and you shall receive. As you can see, this is the look that I have on my face using everything from this collection. We have eyeshadow, we have blush, we have highlighter, setting powder, we have liquid lipsticks, we have eyeliner. So we have pretty much the whole shebang. I'm going to go through each product and just showcase it, test it, and to give you my final thoughts at the end of the video. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And with that said, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's tutorial slash review of the Wet n Wild Hello Kitty collection. So let's take a look at the collection first. And first of all, let's admire this adorable package it came in. I'm not a fan of Hello Kitty, but I can admit that this is really cute. I'm gonna have to display this somewhere in my beauty room. So it comes with this cute little case, like a metal case, and then when you open Miss Hello Kitty, this is what comes inside the package. So what just dropped is a cute little mirror, which I know all you Hello Kitty fans are gonna love this. So this is a loose setting powder. This is a cute little keychain that you can add obviously to your keys. A lash curler, a sponge, and a glitter mascara. We're definitely not going to use that. Cute, but not for me. With an ombre blush as well as a highlighter trio, which is obviously like pink and white. And on the bottom, it comes with an eyeshadow palette. Let me get this out. This is the eyeshadow palette, which is honestly really cute. Lip mask with a lip brush. It comes with two glossy lip stains. One is more of a like a nude, and then the other one is definitely very much pink. So getting a shimmer liquid eyeliner, which we'll have to swatch, and then a lip oil. This one looks very interesting because it's like super silver, as you can see. We're gonna go ahead and try that on the lips and see what it's all about. Ooh, that's very sparkly. That smells really good. So the lip gloss is pretty glittery, but it's not gritty. It's just glittery. It's not my personal favorite. I don't necessarily love glitters. I don't necessarily love glitter in my lip gloss, but if you like that, then I think you would enjoy this. And I can see a lot of people going crazy over this, but for me, it's all right. I don't think I'll use it, but we're going to try it on top of the lipsticks, one of these, to see if it maybe looks a little better. Let's go in with the blush. I already have like a pre-blush underneath, but I'm going to apply this on the top because the one that I chose it specifically for this. It is called, it doesn't have a name, it's just a Hello Kitty blush. But it's really pretty because it's like ombre and it goes from really light to a like darker pink. So I'm going to swirl it all around and let's see what this is giving. It's pretty powdery, honestly. I mean, it's showing up. I can see it, but it's not too pigmented. It's definitely more of a like soft pink. Not getting much pigment out of it, but it is a pretty color. If you like very soft rosy blushes, then I think you will like that. Let's try the highlighter. This is the highlighter trio. So as you can see, it has Hello Kitty's face in the middle, which is so cute. So her face is white. This is a very sheer pink, and then this is a more of a Barbie pink. I'm actually just going to mix all of them and see what we get. I feel like this is going to be extremely blinding. Ah, Hello Kitty. Hello. Oh my gosh. That has to be one of the most blinding highlights I have applied in a very long time. Mind you, it is pretty glittery, so if you don't like a glitter highlight, skip this. If you have a lot of texture, I mean, it's going to emphasize your texture, but if you don't want it to emphasize your texture, skip this. But it's actually, I'm actually like into it. This is, she's cute. I'm actually really excited about this loose pressed powder because it's pink. And I personally really like pink setting powder. So I'm going to try it on one side of my face just to see how it looks. So that is what the powder is looking like. It looks like it's super finely milled, which I really like that. I'm going to go ahead and take it and press it. So far, it went on super smooth. I'm going to go ahead and take it off. Wow, okay. That did so amazing at brightening and overall just making my skin look so soft. I think it's because the powder is so finely milled. I use a little bit more and like carve out my cheekbones, but so far this powder is actually really impressive. Okay, I like that. I'm not gonna open the sponge because, like, being realistic, how are you supposed to use this shape on your face? And it's too cute to destroy it, so I'm just going to keep this and look at it because it's really cute. I am, however, going to try the lash curler because I am extremely picky when it comes to lash curlers, and I can tell you immediately if this is gonna be a good one or not. It's okay. It's not my favorite. If you want a really good lash curler, the Kevyn Aucoin lash curler is literally the best. This one is alright, but it's not my favorite. Had a little lunch break and prep the lids, and now they friggin' started creasing, but that's okay. I'm really excited to try this eyeshadow palette because honestly, like, Wet n Wild does not disappoint with their eyeshadow formula, so I'm really hopeful that this is not going to be a flop. Here's what the inside is looking like. It's really pretty. We have a bunch of shimmers. We have some mattes. We definitely have more shimmers than mattes, but I think we're going to make it work. So let's start off with a transitional shade. I'm going to take this one right here. It does have numbers, but it's just like 1 through 16. I'm going to take this really pretty pink and I'm going to sweep that across the lid. Oh, that's pretty. I'm sweeping this across the lid. This is going to be my transitional shade. That surprisingly is showing up very well on my skin tone. I feel like colors like this typically don't show up very well because I am more medium skin tone. There really isn't a lot of mattes to play with, so I'm going to take this shade next, which seems to be just a tad bit darker than the one above, which is the one that we just laid down. And I'm going to take that into my crease. Yeah, it's really not going to add too much depth, which is fine. I'm going to go for a soft glam anyways, since we're working with pinks, going back and forth. I'm going to go back to that brush that I used for the first shade, and I'm blending that together to make sure that there are no harsh lines, even though you can't really see the colors because they are a little bit lighter. I'm going to go in with a flat brush and I'm going to take this shade right here, which is a really nice off-white, and I'm going to take that underneath the brow bone. Wow, that is really pretty. That is a really pretty bright shade. And then I'm going to go back with that brush, no additional product, just blending all those edges together. I do wish that there was a deeper shade in here just to create a little bit of depth into the eye, but that's okay. I'm gonna go with this one. Oh my gosh, that one is really pretty. It's like almost like a duochrome pink. That's actually stunning. I'm gonna lay that all over the lid. Oh my gosh, that is super metallic. Do you guys see that? This has the consistency of the ColourPop, like those jelly shadows. That is exactly what it feels like. That is actually so stinking cute. It's more white than pink though. I was hoping it was more on the pinkier side, but it's more like a silver white with some pink sparkles. I'm also going to try this pink because I do want it to be a little bit more pink than what it is at the moment. I'm going to go back with a little bit more of that first pink shade and just add a little more to the crease. I'm going to take this champagne gold shade and I'm going to take that to the inner corner. Holy cannoli, that is pigmented. Wow, these are extremely metallic eyeshadows. That is the look. Honestly, it's kind of cute. Like, this is not my type of look, but if you are a pink girly, I think this palette is literally going to be for you. Or if your daughter loves Hello Kitty, this is such a great palette. The shimmer shadows in here are insanely pigmented and super metallic. For the price point, it did not disappoint. I am going to apply some lashes and then we're going to come back and try the lipsticks, and I think that'll be the end of the review. Added eyeliner because I felt like this look was just needing it, and honestly I think it really brought it to life, so I'm glad I added the liner. And then I also added this Pastel Dream Auto Eyeliner to the waterline and baby pink to pull all the pink. And then I used this shimmer liquid eyeliner, but you can barely see it, so I'm going to show you guys really quickly how I did it. I literally just went on the side of my liner and just like traced it like that. I know it's not obvious, and then I did it to the inner corner, but you can't really see it, but it's actually a good eyeliner. It doesn't crack and it's pigmented. You just can't really see it. I lined my lips. I'm going to go in with the shade So Dreamy. This is supposed to be a glossy lip stain, so. Ooh, I like that formula. That is a lip stain. I feel like it doesn't really go with the look, but it is really, really pretty. So I'm going to take this off and then we're going to apply the other one. Let's try the Cheers. Oh, this is a liquid eyeshadow. Well, excuse me. That's what I get for not reading. That is what it looks like. I'm going to apply it here. It's very sheer, but it is pretty. Here you have it, you guys. This is the Hello Kitty X Wet n Wild collection. So what do we think? Let me start off by saying this collection is extremely adorable. If you are a fan, hold on, let me figure this out. If you are a fan of Hello Kitty, I highly suggest you get this collection. Literally, this whole collection is worth it just because of this, because it is really cute. It's aluminum, so you can even use it for storing whatever. If you're a crafty person, you can use it to store in your crafts. The palette for me was probably one of my favorite things. I do wish they had more mattes in here to create different versatile looks. It is just very like basic, but the metallic shades in here make this whole palette worth the money. Lip oil for me was just kind of okay. I feel like it's a little too glittery for my personal taste. You know what? Let's apply a little bit of this on the top and see how that looks. Made it look more shiny, but I don't see the glitter. Unless you wear it alone, you won't see the glitter. So this one to me was okay. The liquid shadow, I wish they would have just done a different lipstick, because the one lipstick that it comes with, it's a lip stain and it's not pink, which would have been a little bit more in theme, but I understand why they made it a deeper shade. I wish this would have been another, maybe like a pink color instead of a liquid eyeshadow. Surprisingly, the shimmer liquid eyeliner is really cute. I really like the way that it looks. It's not super crazy pigmented, but if you're in person, you can definitely see it. My favorite item has to be the pressed powder because it is pink, it is super finely milled, and it did a great job at brightening the under eye without making my skin look too dry, so I love that. The blush and the highlighter, for me, the highlighter literally took the spotlight. The blush was just okay, not super pigmented, but you can definitely work on it and like build it up. But for me, the highlighter was like the highlight of today's video. No pun intended. And I didn't get to try the lip mask, but it smells pretty good. It's like a very light scented, almost like cherry scent. So those are my thoughts. Those are my thoughts on the Hello Kitty X Wet n Wild collection. I actually had a lot of fun. Again, I'm personally not a fan of Hello Kitty, but if you are, I think this is a collection worth checking out. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I can't wait to reply to you guys, talk, and yeah, let me know what you think. Other than that, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.